Mac, what do you want? You want milk? Get out your milk then. Get out your milk then. Yes. You want milk? Alright, get it out. You can do it. Can you bring Mommy your milk? You say milk? Bring Mom your milk. Hey, buddy. Mac, can you say Mommy? Can you say Daddy? Can you say brr? Yeah. Can you say ouch? Can you say shooey? Uh-oh, did you break something? You say uh-oh. I'll take it, thank you. Can you say thank you? You say please? No, I'll take that. I'll fix it. Can you say banana? Hey Mac, can you say shooey? Say shooey. Mac. Uh-oh. What'd you find? Can you say whoa?
Whoa.
Can you say yes? Will you say yes? Can you say no? Thank you. Can you say strawberry? Whose hat do you have on? Whose hat is that? Is that Kyla's hat? Is that your girlfriend's hat? Mac. Hey Mac. Mackie. Mac. Blow Mommy a kiss. She's gonna turn the camera off. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mac. Too busy.